Alright, we poured the precast slabs. We're putting a hard trowel finish on them right now. Our helper over here is still helping us, working very hard. We poured this first, a regular slab. For the when you do a short order, you got to pay extra money. So this was not enough concrete for a whole truckload, so we added this. And we have our supervisors over here. So we got 3 here and 3 here. 6 precast slabs that are going to be going on Lake Michigan, my dad's project. And this is a project from years ago. For those of you following on Concrete Research and Development, you might notice this is the first picture you'll see when you log onto the page. Structural beam that my dad engineered, actually has a patent for it. That was many, many years ago. These are see-through forms. This is epoxy coated rebar. We just put like a very little bit, like the whole beam would be loaded with that much epoxy rebar. I mean, all the way around the whole entire beam. These are post-tension cables that, and if you know anything about post-tensioning, those are very important when it comes to a beam. These are actual cells, and another one bolts up to this one and bolts up to that one. There's a male and female end. There's a groove here, and then it sticks out on the other side. And these cables would run through the entire beam. I believe it's like 400 feet long, this beam, when it's all done. But it's very unique and has never been built yet. So somebody could take this idea someday if they want to do some kind of crazy project. Here's an idea to get you started. We used this vibrating screed to pour that slab. Worked out really good. We're inside my dad's huge barn right now. He's got plenty of toys. This is his latest toy, a nice heavy-duty utility golf cart with all the extras. Pretty nice. It's got a winch in front. I don't know if you can see it. All kind of stuff in here. It's a little dark, but nice golf cart. Alright, that's all we have for now. We'll get the hard trowel finish on these slabs, and they're going to be shipped off to Lake Michigan job to see if they can withstand huge waves. Okay, here's a good shot of the winch in front of the golf cart. This thing has all the goodies, including this custom power pack. You never know when you might need some regular 110 electricity driving around. Alright, like I said, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.